I'm gonna pick this one first. This is Garage 1 self-parking. I think I found a Westinghouse. Here's the District 1 elevators. Oh, that leveling. It's got snap cap. Yeah, this is a Westie, alright. Alright, let's see if we have a good motor. It's on oil. Down?
I think so.
Going to the casino?
Are we going to the casino?
Yeah, are you guys going to the casino?
Yeah. Are we
Okay.
going to go to the LINQ casino?
The casino's on the lower floor. I already have it selected.
Okay, thank you. What?
Oh.
Can you see my location?
No, I didn't get any.
I'm scared.
It takes forever to level. Is this casino? No, this is parking 3.
Did you ask somebody where it was?
I like your necklace. Thank you.
I'm in an elevator with a bunch of people coming.
Okay, so just go to the first floor and then
Yeah.
let me know what you see when you get out.
Are you near the casino, the LINQ casino?
Yeah, so when you exit the elevator, what do you see?
I don't know. I'm still in the elevator.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's a little low on oil. Just wanted to take a look at it. Oh, and it's when the Westie wants to close, the Westie will close. Yeah, this got snap cab. You get your Westinghouse fixtures.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very slow door. Alright, that's it.